Hello everyone, welcome back to Dasqua. Today I made a headache. How to choose the right size stud from this mixed up size? Here comes the solution, the multifunction gauge. Firstly, it can easily check the pitch of the thread from 0.5 to 3 mm. It can be also used to check the diameter of the thread from 3 to 20 mm. With laser marking on the two sides, we can also check the length of the thread of the bolts. And as you can see, we have a tab and a drill recommendation tablet on the back. For example, if you want to get a thread of M6, and firstly, you can find a drill with diameter of 5 mm to get a hole at first, and then use the tabs to get the thread of M6. It can be also used as wire gauge with 6 different sizes of holes from 0.8 to 2.5 mm. It can check the diameter of the wire and the washer and the thickness of the sheet metal. On the right side, we have 4 small holes from 15 degree to 60 degree for you to mark the angle quickly. And it can also be used as a protractor. Okay, that's all today for this new product.